Okay, so we're going to have a look at how to join one of these cables to a motor, geared motor, so that you can get a nice project with a bit of torque and a nice easy connector. So we've got these 8-pin connectors, and we can simply twist off 2 of those nice and safely. So we have a 2-pin connector, and then what I'd do is separate those. So we're bending out the 2 pins. A bit easier, but you don't want to break them off. Importantly, basically we just want to solder it to the motor like that, or you could solder it like that. You just wouldn't want to touch the casing when you solder it. You could even, if you was trying to save space, you could do it back this way. So so we might give that a go, and so what I'll do is I'll just bring those together like so. They fit in quite nicely like that, and so just checking, you know, the connector will be like that. We could even tape it on to give it a bit of extra strength after we are done. So let's solder that in place. So I don't want to burn myself. I'll do it this way. Okay, and bring that down. And go solder there. Let's get that. Heat that up. There we go. That's one. And we'll do the other one. Same way. And then over. Hold it there. This way. And we have our motor connector. So now, depending which way we hook this up to the PicoMiniDRIVER, will depend on the direction. You can control the direction in the actual software or the firmware, what you code onto the PicoMiniDRIVER. But essentially, after you take this up to give it some strength, we just plug in those 2 pins there, and we've got a fully connected motor to our PicoMiniDRIVER. Okay, thanks for watching.